Want to know when you have a whole bunch of money? You buy your bowls at auction for over $2 million. Hey guys, I'm Patrick Jones for Buzz60. It isn't just any bowl. The bowl that's sold at Sotheby's auction for $2.2 million is from China's northern Song Dynasty. For those of you that are not up on your ancient Chinese dynasties, the Song Dynasty was from 920 to 1027, meaning it's an old bowl. The funny thing is, the price was estimated to go for way under $2 million, at about 200 grand. And it was originally sold for $3 at a secondhand sale. Must have been a good old-fashioned auction house standoff. What's better is that a lot more famous celebrity items have gone for significantly less. Like Marilyn Monroe's Happy Birthday, Mr. President dress, Michael Jackson's Thriller jacket, James Bond's Golden Gun. Anyone who's played GoldenEye knows how important that thing is. Also a steal compared to that bowl, Queen Victoria's bloomers. But if you feel the need to buy the pantaloons of a queen dead over 110 years, on top of the auction price, you also owe your community an explanation. Buzz60, now you know, pass it on.